So you want to make money through your live streams? Well, fantastic, because affiliate marketing can be a fantastic way to start making money quickly and that grows over time. So today you're going to learn how to grow your affiliate income. We're going to cover what types of affiliate revenue you can earn from, how to start affiliate marketing, how to grow it, and some mistakes to avoid. You don't want to be one of those people, right? And of course, I'm going to take you through the 3 steps that you need to take right now to start earning commissions. Are you ready to dig in? Let's get this party started. So what is affiliate marketing exactly? Well, simply put, it's a way for you to make money by earning commissions for products that other people own, meaning you don't have to create anything, and yet you can still make money from what other people are putting out into the world. The benefit to them is that you're their marketing department. You're spreading the word and they make money while you make money. It's a win for you, win for the company making the product, and a win for your viewer getting a discount or a free trial to a product that they want. It's a win, win, win. The sweetest of deals. And even cooler is that it can be a fantastic way to make money fast because it's very low barrier to entry. You don't need a large audience. It's passive income, meaning you can put it out there once and keep making money and maybe even recurring revenue in some cases. And it'll just grow over time if you do it right. It's a snowball effect. I remember when we were making a few $100s a month from affiliates, which when you're starting out, heck, that's amazing. It's going to pay some of your bills, right? How awesome is that? And then we were making a couple $1,000s from affiliates, and we struggled kind of to break that barrier. But when we cracked the code, that snowball just started rolling really fast. And all of a sudden it was making 5 digits per month. Now, I have a very diversified business. I've been in business for years. So as one revenue stream dips, another might increase, and it changes over time. But here's the thing. My business is multiple 6 figures, and affiliates alone make up for about 16 to 30% of our revenue. That's some seriously good money right there. And I say that for no other reason than to show you that you can do it too. You start small and you grow it, but only if you're strategic about it. And that's what we're diving into today, how not to make the mistakes that will lead you to failure with affiliate marketing, AKA not much money. So you can make affiliate revenue from physical products, from software, from gear or hardware, or online services. We're gonna dig into this more in depth here in a minute, but if you're new around here, please do type new in the comments. I would love, love, love to meet you. And if you are new, then you don't know me. Well, hello, I'm Laria Petrucci from Live Streaming Pros, where we help you create professional live video that's uniquely you. All right, so let's take a look at the 3 steps you gotta take to nail down your affiliate marketing snowball. Step 1, you need to identify 1 to 3 products to promote. You start this by making 2 lists, okay? So your first list is a list of all of the things that you use in your daily personal and work life. For example, hardware. Well, I use all of my studio gear, cameras, lights, mics, etc., etc. On the physical products side, I read a lot of books. I have adult coloring books for relieving stress and relaxing at the end of the night, get my brain to relax, right? For software, I use Spotify, Ecamm, Zoom, Loopback. For online services, I use Restream, Google Docs, LastPass, Loom, Epidemic Sound, TubeBuddy. So these are all things that I use on a regular basis. We are not worried right now when you're making this list about whether an affiliate program even exists. You're just looking at what you use because that's going to be the most natural fit for you to talk about, okay? So then the second list you're making is what hardware, software, physical products, and online services your audience needs, wants, or uses. Now that you have these 2 lists, I want you to put a dot by the 3 things that match the topic of your channel the most. And then I want you to put a star by the 3 that are the most valuable to your audience. Now look at your list. Which ones have both a dot and a star? I want you to circle those. That is where the magic is going to happen. Now, here's the deal. Do not choose more than 3 to start. You're going to want to, You're going to get excited, and I guarantee you if you choose more than 3, you won't get any traction on any of them because you can't be strategic about promoting all of the things. And by the way, if all of that has your brain rolling and you're thinking about some products or services that you could promote, hit that like button and subscribe if you're not already, because I'm always looking out for you. And if you continue to hang out with me here, I'm going to make sure you're rocking and rolling in your journey. Now, step number 2 is to sign up for the affiliate programs, right? We've circled our 3. Hopefully they have an affiliate program, but now's the time to search that out and find those. And maybe you need to go to some other things in your list if they don't, but it's going to be listed on their site if they do have an affiliate program. And if it's not that obvious, look at the bottom of their site in the footer. It might be listed there. Or you can Google product name affiliate program and probably find it. Now, in my case, the gear I use is a direct match between what I use, what's interesting to my audience, and what my channel is about. The books, not such a great match. I mean, maybe from time to time, but it's not going to make the strongest connection to my audience. Now, Restream as a service is a huge benefit to my audience because they need it to simulcast to multiple locations at once, like I do, without straining their local bandwidth at home. And it's a fantastic way to go live quickly and easily and start live streaming without excuses. Now, in fact, Restream is not only an affiliate program for me, but it's also supporting this video in this channel to help us create more great content for you that helps you achieve your goals. And you know how I mentioned free trials and discounts earlier? Well, this is an example of an affiliate program that has a discount available. And this is where it gets really good for your audience. By clicking my affiliate link in the description, then you get a $10 credit on your account. Now, I love the Pro plan, and I think everybody should work their way up to that plan, but you can always start with a lower tier if that's better for you right now. That link again in the description so you can take advantage of that. But do you see how beneficial this is to promoting affiliates? Because it matches my use, it matches my audience's needs, that's you. It's a win-win-win. Okay, so now that you've signed up for 3 affiliate programs, now it's on to step 3, which is to do a single video specifically about one of these programs. We're going to start with one and go from there. For example, if I choose the camera I use, right, the camera that you're watching me on, I'd be promoting an Amazon affiliate link. I would do an entire video just about this camera, but I'd make it super valuable to my audience. I could talk about how the Sony a6100 is the best camera for live streaming in 2021. I'd go over all of the features, etc., etc. My goal would be to reach people who are my target audience, but maybe who are looking to buy a camera actively. And of course, I'd mention my affiliate link in the video, right? I'd put a visual call to action on screen and I'd link to it in the description. Now, here's the thing, you gotta make sure you follow all the FTC guidelines about disclaimers and being upfront that the links are affiliate links. Also, if you use Amazon links, don't use a URL shortener service. That is technically against their terms. But when you're strategic about the way you use affiliates, then even as a small channel, you can still bring in revenue while also providing more value to your audience. All right, so let's talk about growing your affiliates. Like I said, this is a bit of a snowball effect, so it will seem a bit slow at first. Do not allow this to frustrate you, and do not give up. Keep mixing in affiliate links and videos into your normal content. Do not only do affiliate content. That's a surefire way to break trust with your audience because they think that's all you care about. But a mixture, totally fine and great. Now, test the first 3 affiliates, okay? So do a single topic video on each of those 3. Heck, do a series of videos talking about different angles of benefits and how-tos for the same affiliate. Connected them together in some way. Do social posts about them. Pin the links to the comments to make it more noticeable. Do behind-the-scenes content. But do not sign up for all the things. Do not try and promote all of the affiliate programs you can possibly get your hands on, okay? That's going to damage the results you can get by being strategic. I have a handful of affiliates that I promote, and I promote them over and over and over, and that provides me with bigger potential results. So don't do all of the things. Also, do not disclose that they're affiliate links. I already mentioned this, but it's worth saying it again. Tricking people is not the way to build trust. And in fact, if you're honest, guess what? People like to support you in this way. So if you say, hey, if you want to support me and the content that you're getting and the value that I'm providing, you can use my affiliate link. Be honest about it. And please do not overdo it. Like, this is a balance thing. Overloading people with mentions of affiliates isn't the right way to do this either. So you want to balance it out with other non-monetized content. This is the way. Do I get some points for a pop culture reference now? Come on. Allow the snowball effect to occur over 6 months, okay? Trust the process. And again, don't give up. Get creative instead. By the way, don't forget to grab your $10 credit to Restream so that you can simulcast and get started very quickly and easily. And if you're worried about how to sell these affiliates, maybe you feel icky about offering things to your audience, I want you to watch this video where I help you sell authentically without that icky feeling. Hey, you got this. Now go start making some money.